Good morning, children. In the previous class, we have learnt sign convention rules and also the mirror formula. In this video class, we will learn some application of concepts. To calculate the object distance and image distance, how can we apply the sign convention rules? We will see by taking this problem. This is the problem number 1, which is given in the textbook application of concepts. Okay, what is the problem given here? See, children, find the distance of image when an object is placed on the principal axis at a distance of 10 centimeters in front of a concave mirror, whose radius of curvature is 8 centimeters. See here, one object is placed in front of which type of mirror here? We have to check. That is the concave mirror. Okay, in front of the concave mirror, an object is placed. And this concave mirror, whose radius of curvature, R value is given as 8 centimeters here. Radius of curvature is given. And the object is placed on the principal axis at a distance of 10 centimeters. That means beyond C. This radius of curvature is 8 centimeters, means center of curvature will also be, the center of curvature of the mirror lies at 8 centimeters. At this point, only the center of curvature point will be there. C will be at 8 centimeters from the mirror. Then the object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeters. That means the object is placed beyond C. So when the object is placed beyond C, as we have already learnt in the previous classes, we can guess the position of the image. Where do we get the image? When the object is placed beyond C, we will get the image in between C and F. In between C and F, that is in between center of curvature and focal point. Okay, let us see. That means our image distance should be less than this 8 centimeters. Okay, we should get like that. Okay, by reading this problem also, we can analyze based on the rules and based on the position of the object and image, what we have learned in the previous classes. Based on that information which we know already, so we can guess the distance of the image. Where do we get the position of the image? What will be the distance of the image? Not exact number, but we can guess to some extent the distance of the image. Okay, now see the solution part. So this is the question given. First of all, from the given information, we have to write here what are the information that is given here. Given data should be noted down first. So radius of curvature of the mirror is given. Radius of curvature is represented with capital R. So capital R is equal to 8 centimeters. And if R is 8 centimeters, then focal length will be, it is the half of the distance of the radius of the curvature, as we already know. So focal length F is equal to R by 2. If F is equal to R by 2, hence we can write 8 by 2, that is equal to 4 centimeters. Focal length lies at 4 centimeters. That means at 4 centimeters focal point will be lying. At 8 centimeters center of curvature will be lying, and at 4 centimeters focal point will be lying. Okay, this entire distance of 4 centimeters is called as the focal length. Okay, then object is placed in front of the concave mirror at 10 centimeters distance. So as per the sign convention rule, the measurement of the distance of the object will be measured from the pole towards the object, and it is in front of the concave mirror, it will be the opposite to the direction of the incident light ray. Hence, we have to take it as negative quantity. So object distance is 10 centimeters, and that should be taken as minus 10 centimeters because the distance of the object is measured in the opposite direction to that of the incident light ray in front of the concave mirror. Hence, object distance is taken as minus 10 centimeters, and the image distance we need to calculate. So question mark. So now we know all these details. We already know that the mirror formula also. By using this mirror formula, we can calculate the image distance now. Okay, what is the mirror formula? 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. See children, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. And simply substitute all the values you already know. So 1 by F value, you know that 4 centimeters. Since the focal length 4 centimeters, this focal length is also a distance which is measured from the pole towards the focal point. Okay, like this. If the concave mirror is there, then this is the pole and this is the focal point. Okay, this is somewhere in this concave center of the curvature. So here to here distance is the small f focal length. This focal length, how much it is there? 4 centimeters. Focal length is also a distance. In which direction we have to measure? All the distances should be measured from the pole only. So here to here, in this direction we will measure. And somewhere here the object is placed beyond C, somewhere here. So the light rays will be coming and falling in this direction. Okay, this is the incident light ray direction, and this is the focal length that we are measuring. Okay, that is in the opposite direction. Hence, we have to take it as minus 4 centimeters. Okay, just recall this part. That's why I have written here this focal length 4 centimeters. Here I have represented it with -4. Okay, because we are measuring the distance of focal length in the direction opposite to that of the direction of the incident light ray. Whatever may be the distance which is measured in the opposite direction to that of the incident light ray direction, that quantity should be taken as the negative quantity. That you already know. So that's why I have taken here -1/4 is equal to 1 by V. V is nothing but the image distance, and we don't know, so we have to write like that only. 1 by V plus 1 by U. U is taken as -10 centimeters here. So 1 by -10. -1/4 is equal to 1 by V. Here plus is there, here minus is there. So we can write here -1/10. Okay, -1/4, and bring this -1/10. This -1/10 should be brought this side towards the LHS side. Then it will become positive quantity. -1/4 plus 1/10 is equal to 1 by V. Then further on simplification, we will get like this. 1 by V. So simply this one I have written like this. 1 by V I have written towards the LHS side, and this part I have written this side. I did not take any further change here. Simply 1 by V is equal to -1/4 plus 1/10. Now take the LCM of 4 and 10. 4 and 10 on LCM we will get 20. 1 by V is equal to 20 upon C. 4 5s are 20 and 5 1s are 5. So -5 here, as already minus sign is there here. -5 plus 10 2s are 20 and 2 1s are 2. So 2 here, -5 plus 2, that is equal to -3/20. 1 by V is equal to -3/20. How much quantity we have got? 1 by V is equal to -3/20. Then if we invert this one, then V is equal to minus will be like that only, 20/3. 3 by 20 becomes 20/3. Because here we have written 1 by V is equal to -3/20. Then V is equal to -20/3. This sign does not change even if even this fraction is inverted. The sign remains like that only. So V is equal to -20/3 centimeters. On simplification, 20/3, V is equal to, we will get this 20/3 on simplification, we get 6 into 2/3. 6 2/3. V is equal to -6 2/3 centimeters. So the image is real image, and the inverted image is going to be formed. So this is this image distance, as we have already guessed that it will be less than 8 centimeters. According to the given information, we have guessed this is the radius of curvature. That means 88 centimeters from the mirror lies center of curvature. Here to here distance is 8 centimeters. Then focal point will be, focus will be here at 4 centimeters, exactly at 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters distance. So based on this guessing, what we have guessed is, so it is placed 10 centimeters. The object is placed 10 centimeters from the mirror. That means up to here, center of curvature only 8 centimeters. So 10 centimeters means here, beyond the center of curvature, the object is placed beyond. That means here to here total is 10 centimeters. Up to here, here to here, total distance is 10 centimeters. So beyond the center of curvature, when the object is placed, according to the rules that should be formed, the object should be formed in between the center of the curvature and focal point. Here somewhere else object will be formed like this. Real and inverted image will be formed. So here to here distance is 8 centimeters. So it is formed somewhat closer to the concave mirror, and so based on this information, we have guessed that the image distance will be less than 8 centimeters, because up to here 8 centimeters, but we are getting the image here. So it is less than 80 centimeters or not? Less than 8 centimeters. Yes. So like that, based on our guess here, that image is distance is, we got -6 by 2/3, -6 2/3 centimeters. That means it is less than 8 centimeters only. So our guess is correct here, and the image is real and inverted image is going to be formed. So like this, we can do some guesses, and also by using the mirror formula, we can calculate the exact position of the image and distance of the image. Okay children, thank you.